Hello, I'm Claudio Lastrucci from Powersoft. I'm one of the founder of the company and still the R&D director in the company. Actually, what we have here, this is a very efficient wide bandwidth transducer. So it's a device that is in 2.5 inch, can provide from 100 Hertz to 20K with a very high clarity and extremely high efficiency. This is 94 dB of sensitivity, so it's somehow 10 dB more loud for the same amount of power equivalent to transducer, and it sounds really sweet because it can produce the entire vocal range from a single source. It's nice and compact. Actually, there are some nice features because there's some intelligence on board that allows to track the transducer performance and bring with himself all the story of data parameters, linear, nonlinear parameter, and response that can be used by the amplifier to compensate and provide unique optimization of performance by each one transducer. That's it.